Maple sap is running thin, mud is grabbing at my boots again. Stacking rows of oak and ash, turning every sweat drop to a silver chat, to a silver catch. Winter's just a ghost I haven't met, but I'm paying off a cold I haven't seen yet. Split it twice to burn it once, feed the belly of the stove for months. A heavy head against the grain, the summer's work to break the winter's chain. Swing high, sink deep, a different kind of harvest that I keep. Bark is peeling back like tired skin, showing where the sapwood's hiding in. Sunlight's lengthening across the pile, a silent prayer in every mile of pine I've cleft. Spring is just a bridge across the gray. I'm building up the heart to face the shorter day. Split it twice to burn it once, feed the belly of the stove for months. A heavy head against the grain, the summer's work to break the winter's chain. Swing high, sink deep, a different kind of harvest that I keep. 6 months from now, when the latch is frozen tight, I'll remember how this sun felt on my side. I'm not splitting wood just to see it fall. I'm building up a wall against the white law. Wood is stacked and the sky is clear. I'll be waiting on the frost when it gets here. Sleep well, the sun's gone down.